Hey everyone, let's dive into the hot topic of the day, Trump's tariff pause. Just yesterday, Trump announced a jaw-dropping increase in tariffs on Chinese goods to a whopping 125%. But here's the twist. He's also paused reciprocal tariffs on most other countries for 90 days, bringing them down to 10%. Canada and Mexico are off the hook for now, but the existing 25% duty on non-USMCA goods still stands. So, why the sudden pause? Trump claims over 75 countries reached out asking for a break, and there's been public concern about the impacts. Treasury Secretary Bessent says it's all part of a bigger negotiation strategy. How did the world react? China hit back with 84% tariffs on US goods and warned the world of more countermeasures. The EU's set to roll out 10 to 25% retaliatory tariffs on US imports by April 15th. South Korea is pushing for talks within this 90-day window, while Japan welcomed the pause but wants more reviews. Canada's already gearing up for immediate trade negotiations. And the markets, they went wild. US stocks surged, retail giants like Walmart and Nike saw spikes, and US crude oil futures jumped over 4%. The NASDAQ even had its best day since 2008, and Asian markets rallied big time. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Democrats are suspicious of insider trading, and some Republicans are pushing for laws requiring congressional approval for tariffs. There's also concern about the impact on US mortgage markets and potential recession warnings from financial heavyweights. In a nutshell, Trump's tariff moves are shaking things up, from soaring markets to intense political debates. Keep your eyes peeled, folks, because this story is far from over. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. See you in the next one.